Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. Happy 17th birthday WordPress! Currently WordPress powers 36.7 of the top 10 million websites. It has come a long way since the official release of WordPress that was shipped on May 27 on 2003. We have seen great things from the software and community, and many more are still to come. The next one will start today, with the WordCamp Europe being held as an online event until Saturday. Get your free ticket at 2020.europe.wordcamp.org. The lineup is amazing, full of quick talks about anything related to WordPress. Valet will attend and you can catch us on some lobbies for a quick chat, or if you prefer to send us an email, feel free to reach out to hello@valet.io. What version did you use when you started to work with WordPress? Drop it in the comments or tweet us at the WP Valet.